दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। मैं आपका दोस्त अमन लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए टॉप 5 इंडियन गे वेब सीरीज एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल एंजॉय वाचिंग दीज वेब सीरीज एंड विल किल योर टाइम इजीली इन दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड। अगर अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसको जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करें एंड आई कीप गेटिंग गुड स्टफ फॉर यू। लेट्स स्टार्ट दोस्तों। हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी पहली वेब सीरीज़ ऑल अबाउट सेक्शन 377 से, which I put on number 5. All About 377 is the story of Sid and Rohit, who lives together in Mumbai, and this story revolves around this couple and their friend, as how they live, enjoy, and carry their life. This is the combination of 8 episodes, and all are amazing to watch. This web series is available on YouTube, so you can watch it on YouTube. Our next web series, The Married Woman, which is based on Manju Kapoor's book A Married Woman. This web series follows two women, Astha and Pipalika, who discover that love happens when you least expect it. Astha is stuck in a bland marriage, while the free-thinking Pipali has been newly widowed. A tragedy caused their paths cross and they forge an instant, beautiful, and effortless connection. In Indian LGBT community, this is the first time when someone touched this pansexual topic. Pansexual is sexual, romantic, or emotional attraction towards people regardless of their gender identity. Pansexual people may refer to themselves as gender blind, asserting that gender and sex are not determining factors in their romantic or sexual attraction to others. This web series is available on ZEE5 and Balaji, so you can enjoy this on ZEE5. Our next web series is still all about Section 377, which is the season 2 of All About Section 377. Love can never be wrong. What a lovely lines, isn't it, dosto? This thought brings us to the season 2 of All About Section 377, a story of an urban gay couple who land up in a village in order to convince one of the partner's family to accept them is the crux of the season. The journey hence is funny as well as emotional, with its set of high and lows. This further narrates the story of transgender woman also, which is quite emotional and must watch. This season or web series is available on YouTube. Our next web series which I put in on number 2 is His Story, which is recently released on ZEE5 and Alt Balaji. This series revolves around the life of Sakshi, Kunal and his lover Preet. Kunal's lover Preet, yes. And this social issue of acceptance of homosexuality by the society. Things fall apart for Sakshi when she realized that her 20-year of family and marital bliss was nothing but a pack of lies. Kunal has an extramarital affair with a man called Preet, and this destroys Sakshi. The couple decide to get separate and end this marriage. Kunal moves in with Preet, but the family, especially his eldest son Shivai, doesn't take this very well. He is homophobic and abuses his father as well as his friend Ved, who is discovering his sexuality in his adolescence. Shlok and Sakshi accept the truth and decide to move on. But due to various events that occur, the story does not have a happy ending. This is available on Alt Balaji and ZEE5. एंड दोस्तों, नंबर 1 पे मैं रखता हूँ एल्ट बालाजी की वेब सीरीज़ रोमिल एंड जुगल. रोमिल एंड जुगल set in a fictional Indian hill station, Kloganj. The story follows the sweet boy next door Jugal, who falls in love with his new hunky neighbor Romil. Their love faced many obstacles, including the homophobic residents of the Klauganj area, disapproving parents, and Romil internalized homophobia. Unlike Shakespeare play, though, this one ends on a happy note. I consider this as one of the best web series for as this discloses as what is hidden in someone's heart. Maybe after watching this, many teen gay guys might get courage to open themselves to their family, and I wish them all the very best. This web series is available on Alt Balaji. So that's all for today. I hope you will like this web series, all the web series. which are available on different platforms. So please stay tuned for my next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please tell me which web series you like most in comment sections. Love you all, my friends.